Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another video, and today we're taking a look at how to earn $7.35 every 60 seconds using a free PayPal money trick in 2020. Welcome back to the series where we react to some BS videos that tell you how to do like fake money scams. So we're going to take a look at this one. This is the one I've seen a little bit. I've never watched one of these videos, but they kind of show like you just keep getting $7.35 sent to your PayPal every 60 seconds. Are you kidding me, bruh? So this one has 193,000 views from Millionaire Mindset. Jay Froman is the scammer in this one. So let's go ahead, watch this one. I'll try and break it down as much as I can, see what's going on here. I use PayPal a little bit, actually use it quite a bit. So let's try and find the scam, break it down, see if it's legit, see what it is.
What's going on, fellow entrepreneurs? And I know this sounds a little bit clickbaity, but if you just stick with me, I'm going to show you how you can get people.
This sounds a little bit clickbaity. What's going on here?
Sale with this one little service that is literally guaranteed to sell.
Literally guaranteed. Literally guaranteed. What is up with this dude?
It's worldwide, so anybody can do this in any country.
Let's speed it up a little bit. Dude! He's hitting us with the mid-roll ads. We gotta go even faster. He's a master at just talking bullshit. Look at this. It's been 2.5 minutes. He hasn't said anything yet. So basically, he's arbitraging Instagram followers. I mean, it's fake because no one is going to be buying Instagram followers every 60 seconds. Like, it's just not that common that people buy Instagram followers. So I think he's just making an ad for this service. All right, we got to skip ahead here. Jesus, buddy. It always amazes me when people make like 10+ minute videos and they don't say anything, man. Like, some people are just good at bullshitting. They just keep talking and they don't say anything. How many effing ads does this guy have? Okay, so I already figured it out. I don't even need to watch it. 15 minutes for him to say nothing. Basically, he's arbitraging Instagram followers. So there's different websites that claim to sell Instagram followers. Let's say someone wants to buy 1,000 Instagram followers. One site might sell 1,000 followers for $100. And then you might advertise to people and say like, I'm gonna get you 1,000 followers, and you sell them for $110. So basically you're paying $100 to the site, and then the site's just gonna send Instagram followers and you make $10. So basically it's like an arbitrage. You know, you buy it cheaper in one place and you charge more in a different place. But the thing is, there's not enough liquidity. There's not enough people out there that are buying Instagram followers to make $7.35 every 60 seconds. What is that? Let's open up the calculator. 7.35 times 60. That's $441 an hour. Over $10,000 a day. I mean, there might be a couple people that want to buy some followers each day. Maybe you could make 10 bucks, 15 bucks a day on it. No one's making 10K a day just arbitraging these Instagram followers. That's so fake, so fake. If you wanted to put a lot of time into this, you could probably make some money doing it, but this isn't. It's definitely not a free PayPal money trick. Like, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me to call it a PayPal money trick? It doesn't have anything to do with PayPal, first of all. You could charge using pretty much any payment service you want, like Cash App. You could use PayPal. You could have them send you a check. This has nothing to do with PayPal. This is basically a business idea that arbitrages Instagram followers, and it's probably not going to make you that much money. It's probably not going to be worth it. That's just my take. You can go ahead, watch the video in depth, waste your 15 minutes. That's up to you. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one, or mobile app tips, tricks, tutorials, experiments, things like that. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past.